when we turn the back like this, you see that the arrangement here, it's a little different from the normal 4-gang switch that you know. Here we have L1, L2, L3, and then L4. This L1, L2, L3, L4 are the output connections that will switch the individual lamps. So connect the first light to L1 like this. The second connection comes to L2. So the next one comes to L3. And the last one comes to L4. Okay, so normally when we are wiring the normal switch, we bring only live wire here. But when you are wiring a smart switch, you need to bring in both live and neutral. So if you see here you can see L in, and then here neutral. So we are connecting live here and then neutral here. So all the connections to the switch, and then we have our two supply wires into the switch also. So now we just turn it back like this and continue. Okay, so here we have our 4 lamps wired. So the next thing, we are going to operate these lights manually first, and then the next step I'll show you how to connect this switch to internet, and then I'll then continue to show you how to configure it on your phone. So the next step, we are going to supply this power and then see how it works. Yes, so the moment you connect power to it, you see the face blinking like this. Okay, so now let's go. Okay, so like the normal switch that we know, you have to press it this way to switch on the light. But here, it's a sensor. So the moment you tap it, it comes on. So you tap it, and then it comes on. You tap it, and then it comes on. You tap it, and then it comes on. The same way, if you want to off it, you just tap, you tap, and then it goes off. So you can still use this without internet. If you don't have internet, just like you switch on your normal switch, you go there, you switch on, you switch on, you switch on, you switch on, you switch off, switch on, switch off. Okay, so just a tap, a little tap, just a little tap. All right, so let's move on to the next level. The next level, we are going to connect this switch to the internet. Okay, so to get this connected to the internet, you can use your laptop or your smartphone. For you to get this connected to your smartphone, you need to download an application that is compatible with this smart switch. So you can go to Play Store and then download Smart Life app on your phone. When you download the Smart Life app, okay, so let me show you how you can do that. Let's look for Smart Life app. Okay, so here Smart Smart Life. Okay, so Smart Life apps, we can use this one. Smart Life, Smart Living. We install it. Okay, so you download the Smart Life app and then it installs on your phone. Okay, so it has finished installation. You just press open. You have to create an account. So you enter your email address, you set a password. So you just follow the prompt and then you finish the setup. So now add your first device. So add a new device. Then you continue. So here I need it whilst using the app. Allow. Okay, so now the app is searching. Okay, so you can see that the switch we have here is actually a 4-gang switch. And so this is what has come here now. You see, so we have this. Okay, so now we have successfully added this particular device onto this smartphone. So when you are done, you click done. Okay, so these are 4-gang switch. That is what we have here. So 1, 2, 3. So if you want to control this light, the switch is somewhere. And then I also have the phone here. Okay, so now I'm going to use this phone to control the light there. So if I press here on the phone, you see that light will come on. Then if I press this, you see the other light also come on. Then I can also switch it off here from the phone like this. From the phone like this. And I can switch this other two also from here. So off, on, off, off, on, 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 off, 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 off. All right, so if you are watching this and you want to install one of these in your home, you can call the number below the video and then we will do you help. If you want consultation also, you can call and then we can help you. Now, if you are an electrician and you want more information about how to install this, you can also call for assistance. And in case you also want any of these switches, we also do supply. And if you want to purchase this on your own, you can use the link below this video to access different types of smart switches and then select which one you want to buy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please stay connected as we learn more on this channel. See you again in the next video.